second hackathon that we're holding. The first hackathon was held in Paris last year within the framework of another project. This year we're holding the hackathon actually separately as a standalone event. The idea of the hackathon is to bring students from technical and legal backgrounds together to be able to marry the concepts in digitalization, technical solutions to solutions to legal problems.
When you put together, an international organization like the Council of Europe, and in particular this division, the University of Bologna, and particularly the legal department of the University of Bologna, and the CNR, meaning the National Research Council of Italy, in particular the institute that I'm working with, which is the Institute of Legal Informatics and Judicial Systems, I think it was a really great partnership.
This partnership for the organization of the hackathon is a great opportunity for us to reach out and get access to the students. We are very grateful for the university for the provision of the venue for the hackathon, and we're extremely grateful also for the institute for helping us to organize this and thinking about so many difficult and different things related to the organization. On behalf of the Council of Europe, I thank very much all those who are involved in this event, the institute, the university, our organizer, Kreativdistrikt, the teams who found time and managed to come here, the jury members and the mentors who devoted their weekend for this event.